Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So on our website, you may have tried out one of the intro projects like Jump Scare Slideshow, which shows you how to change the backdrops, and then eventually a little creature like this ghost might appear in your backdrop and go boop or something like that. Okay, so that's a pretty neat idea, but in another video, I actually show you how you can make it go really fast to actually make it look like something is animated. I want to show you somebody else's project, and this project is titled Stop Motion, and it is by Artsy Girl for Life. So in this project, when you press the green flag, it's going to just switch the costume, and it's going to do it with a bunch of different pictures. And it's going to go so fast that it looks like an animation, but really it's just a bunch of pictures of things that are not moving. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so it makes it look like you're moving a table. Got our different scratch characters moving around. Ooh, looks like it's for a birthday party. Awesome. So if you're interested in creating something similar to that, you can follow some of the steps that you may have seen in some of the resources that I've created. But all you really need to do, if you actually click to look inside of this, is you just need to make it go to the next costume and wait a little bit. And you do that for each one of the pictures that you take, and that's how you can make a stop motion project in Scratch, which is a pretty neat idea. And by the way, if you want to check out this project and give this person a compliment on it and tell them how awesome of a job they did, I include a link in the description, as well as a link to some other projects, resources that shows you how to create something similar to this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.